Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. I'm Brian Fitz. Behind me is my juiced HyperScorpion eBike. Behind that is a 12-mile trail that we're about to ride down. This is what I do to clear my mind. I'm gonna take you on a therapeutic bike ride through the woods. If you wanna see any of this content, just continue watching. So if you're unfamiliar with the trails that I'll be going on today, this is the original Housatonic Railroad Company line, and specifically the Berkshire line, which opened in 1836, which ran from Newtown all the way down to Bridgeport, Connecticut. So that's where we're going today. Hopefully I'll put a map right here or here for you so you can get some type of bearings. But I'm already breaking a sweat, I can see it now. Let's keep going. No matter where you are in the world, just get outside. Also, let me just take a second and let you know that typically I pedal this entire route, but for video production purposes and for ease of showing you this content, I'm pretty much on the throttle this whole time. Let's go. All right, so I'm not sure if you can tell, but we just hiked down this steep hill behind me. So the reason that I'm here is to show you the beauty that we all have in our backyards. If you just take a couple steps outside, it's a couple pedals, a few miles down the road, and you can end up in tranquility like this. Follow me. Something that I found pretty interesting is that those signs earlier said they used the railroad in 1836. So it's really neat that there is a wall, a constructed wall all along the stream edge. This is easily one of my favorite nature spots. We still have a lot more to do today. Stay tuned for more. Interested in the juiced HyperScorpion, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Right now we're approaching the exit of this trail, getting closer to Trumbull Center. From there we're going to go into Twin Brooks Park, Trumbull, and then to Beardsley Park. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, thank you so much for sticking with me this far. We've made it to the end point of the trail. I'm down in Bridgeport. I have 12.5 miles to go all the way back up to Monroe. So before you click off and forget about me for a whole week, definitely like this video, drop a comment, let me know your favorite part. Also check out my affiliate link for the juiced HyperScorpion bike, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.